Okay, let's dive in. We're going to see how this script builds such a powerful emotional story about AI.
So, how do you do it? Well, this story uses a classic framework you probably already know.
Yep, the hero's journey. We're going to use this exact structure to break down the whole story.
And every journey starts in an ordinary world, so let's meet our hero, Mia, before anything happens. Right now, she's just a normal kid, watching videos, playing games, just consuming stuff. And right away, the story sets up this huge contrast, just scrolling versus actually creating something new. But then, boom, the call to adventure. This is where everything starts to change for her. And check this out, the AI doesn't just appear, it's this 3-step reveal that feels kind of magical. So she starts asking it questions and bam, instant holographic answers. It just pulls her right in. And this is the key moment, the big switch from just a consumer to a full-on creator. She's not just watching anymore, she's making art, writing stories, even learning to code with this thing. But it's not just about what she can do, it's about who she's becoming on the inside. You can literally see it on her face. In this one shot, she just radiates confidence and power. And this chart just nails the difference. Look at her energy compared to other kids just scrolling. Okay, so finally our hero returns, but she's totally transformed into an architect of tomorrow. Now look at her. She's in this awesome futuristic workspace, completely in control. She's totally mastered it. And the story lands with this powerful call to action, making her journey an inspiration for us. And that's really why this is so effective. It takes this huge topic, AI, and makes it personal.